everyone, I'm Diva, and today I am so excited because I am going to travel to the past to see someone fun. Oh, you're going to travel to the past? Are you really? Yep, I'm going to travel to the past and meet someone really special. Well, it's kind of pretend, but it's going to be fun. Lonely Shark is going to bring her to me, so I hope he finds her. My new friend from the past.
Oh, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Guess what we found? She's a gorgeous creature, animal darlings. And she has a little restaurant theme on her box, and she is called Princess Pig, and she loves snacks, and she's from 5th Avenue, New York. So cool. And she's by Mattel. Look at that.
As you can see, the box is a bit messed up because this is an older doll, and we'll show you on the back.
Check that out. It says, let me see if I can get it to focus. So it says, gorgeous creatures, glamorous animal dolls, collect them all. And these are from 1979. So they're pretty old. They're almost from the 80s. But technically they're from 79. So pretty parlor hairdos. Shapely poses, arms and legs are movable. Fashion looks to create mix and match dolls' clothes. Each includes a gown, hat, shoes, stole, hanky, opera gloves, and boyfriend picture with frame. And they are 7.5 inches tall. You can see the little Mattel logo there. And it has the numbers. Again, because these are from 1979, these are not being made anymore, but you can get them on eBay, which is where we really got these.
Yeah, we said that we got them from the past, but we really just got them from eBay.
So yeah, she is gorgeous creatures, Princess Pig, and she was $15. So we're going to open her up and check her out, you guys. Did have to pay shipping, but it's totally worth it because these are cool. And we are the first people to ever unbox these. Oh, it's ripping because it's so old. Here we go. Here we go, you guys. Let's pull her out of there. Our Princess Pig. Stuck. Ah! Whoa! Oh my! So we got this clear bag with some accessories, which we will check out in a moment. You can see the boyfriend's picture there. Cute. And here she is, Princess Pig. And as you can tell, she is tied down, so this is a real unboxing. These were never opened before, so that's cool, isn't it? So now I am going to untie her and get her out so we can check her out. Okay, you guys, look at her. So pretty, isn't she? And she's got feathers on her. Super cool, you guys. Look at that. Some of them may have fallen off, but this is an older doll, so that does happen. Which I'm really okay with because these are pretty old. So you can see in the back, she's got very curly hair. And she can be posed. like they said, compose her. But she is all hard plastic, so there's no bend and click, I don't think. Let me try. Yeah, she's all hard plastic pretty much. Oh, actually her head is kind of squish. Yeah, her head is a little bit squish. So let's take a closer look at her face. And I think that they did a really cute job on her face. It's very pretty and I actually like it a lot. These kind of look like the pet versions of the OMG. Don't you guys think? If the OMG pet, I mean if the LOL pets had big sisters. Super cute. She really is cute. So yeah, this is, and she is like curvaceous, kind of like the LOL OMGs are kind of curvaceous, kind of. So she's got the curvy look to her. And let's check out some of her fun accessories. So you get this little sticker here, which I think you're supposed to put in here. So we will do that in a moment. And you also get her little doll shoes. So we're going to put those on her now. So there she is with her doll shoes. Very cute. And she also comes with these here. You just kind of have to pull them off the plastic here. So you get like this comb. You guys are welcome to skip ahead while I poke these things out, because it's hard. Ugh. They're really hard to get out. You kind of have to like twist them around. There it goes. You get this little brush for her hair. Cool. You get a mirror, which doesn't have like a mirror thing, like I thought it would, but that's okay. Usually they have like a little mirror thing, but it doesn't. And you get this little perfume bottle. Super, super cute, you guys. So now I'm going to put her boyfriend's picture in this frame for her so that she can have that with her. And his name is Maximums, I think. Yeah, I think it's Maximums. So let's put his picture in the frame for her. There we go. So now she has her boyfriend's picture in the frame for her. Wish it had come with a mirror sticker for this, but that's really okay. So here is our gorgeous creature. I'm going to give you guys another little look at her. Very cool. She does have earrings that are attached to her ears. She's actually really cool. She's got this bracelet here. It's really, really cool. She's got a ring. I love the jewelry on these. So pretty. Oh, her shoes fell off. That's okay. We did see them on her, so that's okay. She's got a boa, a hat, and she's got eyelashes and pretty painted eyes. Love all the details. She really reminds me of the OMGs. So now, I'm going to ask you guys a funny question. Which one of these dolls do you prefer? Miss Diva here? Or Princess Pig? You guys can write in the comments which one you like better. And make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!